Hello everyone, and welcome to our installation guide for Prime Slider Free. In this video, we'll take you through each step of the installation process for this dynamic slider plugin on WordPress. By the time we're done, you'll be fully equipped to dive into the incredible features that Prime Slider Free has to offer. So, without further ado, let's get started. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu and click on Installed Plugins. Once you're there, click the Add New Plugin button located at the top left of your screen. Now use the search bar in the top right corner of the page to search for Prime Slider Free. Simply type Prime Slider into the Search Plugins field. You should see Prime Slider add-ins for Elementor listed at the top with an Install Now button next to it. Go ahead and click that button to begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, make sure to click the Activate button to activate the plugin. At this point, the installation is nearly finished. Next, let's take a look at the Prime Slider dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice 5 key tabs: Dashboard, Core Widgets, Third-Party Widgets, Extensions, and Other Settings. In the Core Widgets tab, you'll find over 50 free and pro widgets that can help take your website's design to the next level. The Third-Party Widgets tab offers integrations with other plugins, allowing you to extend functionality. Meanwhile, the Extensions tab brings additional features to enhance your website even further. If you click on the Other Settings tab, you'll have access to more customization options like Live Copy Paste, Duplicator, and Reveal effects, all designed to improve the overall user experience. Let's now move on to seeing Prime Slider Free in action. To do this, either open an existing page or create a new one, then click on Edit with Elementor. On the left-hand panel, you'll see the free Prime Slider widgets available for use. Simply drag and drop any widget onto your editor and start customizing it to match your design preferences. And that's it. That's how you install the free version of Prime Slider and begin creating stunning websites with ease. If you run into any problems during the installation process, you can always refer back to this video for a step-by-step walkthrough. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Until next time, take care and happy designing.